Good evening, sir. Good evening, all.
Good evening.
So yes, sir. In past 2 weeks, so there have been lot of winnings for me. So first of all, the phase in my YouTube journey, so which I was waiting for in Forever Living, especially, has started. So I have started getting WhatsApp messages from people, those who watch my videos and ask me, okay, I saw your video, I want to join Forever, or I want to buy such products. So that phase has started, and even people are directly calling me, okay, sir, आपका video देखा मैंने तो business ये क्या है बताओ मुझे, right? Along with that, the best thing is like I even have started getting emails, directly email. People are joining my as my downline. So that is the best part. Directly.
मतलब कि prospect आपको मैसेज भी नहीं कर रहा है कि मुझे ज्वाइन करना है, वो ये भी पूछ रहा है कि कंपनी क्या है, क्या प्लान है, क्या है, मतलब आपके पास ईमेल आ रही है कि किसी ने ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Exactly, without speaking a word. Sunday afternoon itself, I was just having a nap, Sunday afternoon nap, and I got a mail. So when I was sleeping, system was working for me. That was a very happy moment, and that phase has started. So I know, and it will grow exponentially now. Yes, and YouTube journey also, I think subscribers have increased to 200 plus. It's now. Yes.
Okay. So mainly, what is your process? मतलब आप YouTube पे content create कर रहे हो, then what? मतलब क्या किस type के content create करो? Can you explain? मतलब क्या strategy है आपकी?
Yes, so I upload a content. It's a mix of products and mix of company, right? And now even regarding me also, if you join me, I can train you this way, I can train you that way, right?
Okay.
So my major focus is on YouTube. So I try to upload as many videos on YouTube. Yes.
Okay, so let's check out your channel. Okay, Pratik Deshmukh. Pratik Deshmukh कुश्ती भी आ रहा है.
Second one.
Okay, so that's your YouTube channel. And what is the frequency? How many videos you are uploading in a month?
In a month, around 35 plus I'm uploading.
35 plus video means on an average more than one video per day.
Yes, right.
Okay, and mostly आपके जो videos हैं company related हैं, product related हैं.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice.